Imagine a massive, solid granite sphere, weighing over 5 tons, equivalent to the weight of 2 luxury SUVs. Now, imagine this titan rotating effortlessly with the simple touch of a finger, gliding on nothing but a paper-thin film of water. Welcome back to Behind the Factory Gates. Today, we take you on a breathtaking visual journey to explore the mystery of Kugel Fountains, also known as Feng Shui floating spheres. Here, where ancient stone meets the precision of modern physics, we discover how massive weight can be transformed into a weightless masterpiece. This is not magic, it is the absolute triumph of precision engineering over the force of friction. The true secret begins deep within the carving workshops. The journey starts with a raw, jagged block of granite or marble. It undergoes a brutal and meticulous process of grinding and polishing using diamond-tipped tools until it reaches a mathematical perfection, a sphere accurate to within a fraction of a millimeter. But the real engineering marvel lies in the socket. The base is carved with the exact same curvature as the ball, creating a perfect match. When high-pressure water is pumped from beneath, it creates a hydraulic lift, a water cushion no thicker than a human hair. This microscopic layer of water completely eliminates friction, allowing this stone beast to rotate indefinitely without ever stopping. In many Asian cultures, these rotating spheres symbolize the eternal flow of energy and the constant renewal of life. Watching this fluid rotation, combined with the rhythmic sound of water flowing beneath the stone, is the ultimate ASMR experience, granting the viewer a deep sense of relaxation and awe. From the screeching of diamond saws and the grit of the factory floor to this silent, peaceful masterpiece, humanity proves once again that with the right engineering and a steady hand, even the heaviest burdens in the world can be made to feel light and transparent as water. These fountains are more than just luxury decor for estates and public plazas, they are a living testament to the precision of the human hand and the majesty of science. If you are mesmerized by this fusion of nature and physics, and you want to discover more hidden industrial secrets from around the globe, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to Behind the Factory Gates to be part of our next journey. Stay curious, keep seeking the beauty in the smallest details, and we will see you in the next adventure.